Welcome to paradise! The Gili Islands, Indonesia, have topped Google's Year in Search 2025 as one of the most trending travel destinations in the world. With crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and a unique mix of relaxation and adventure, the Gili Islands are a dream getaway. In this video, we'll guide you through the perfect 5-day itinerary covering food, restaurants, activities, and hidden gems that make this destination unforgettable. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to TravelSpot for more exciting travel guides and destination itineraries from around the world. Day 1 is all about arrival and soaking in the island vibe. Begin your journey on Gili Trawangan, the liveliest of the 3 islands. After a scenic boat ride, check into a beachfront villa or eco-resort. Once you've settled in, enjoy your first meal at Kayu Cafe, famous for smoothie bowls, fresh juices, and seafood straight from the ocean. In the evening, rent a bicycle, the island has no cars, and explore its winding, sandy paths. As the sun begins to set, head over to the sunset swing at Ombak Sunset Hotel. This is the iconic spot where travelers from around the world capture the golden glow of Gili's magical sunsets. Day 2 takes you underwater. Start with a morning snorkeling adventure around Gili Air and Gili Meno. Here, you can swim alongside giant sea turtles at Turtle Point and discover vibrant coral reefs beneath the waves. After your adventure, treat yourself to lunch at Pituq Waroeng, a cozy spot offering some of the best vegan Indonesian dishes. Spend the afternoon lounging at a beach club with a refreshing drink in hand. As night falls, dive into the buzzing atmosphere of the Gili Night Market. This is where food lovers gather to enjoy authentic satay, grilled seafood, tropical fruits, and fresh juices, all for a fraction of the price of restaurants. Day 3 is for island hopping and culture. Take a boat trip to Gili Meno, the quietest and most serene of the 3 islands. One of the highlights here is the underwater sculpture garden, a hauntingly beautiful snorkeling site filled with statues that attract marine life. For lunch, dine at Mahamaya Boutique Resort Restaurant, where beachfront fusion dishes meet incredible views. In the afternoon, wander through artisan shops and markets, where you can pick up handmade jewelry, crafts, and souvenirs that support local families. As the sun sets, Return to Gili Trawangan and enjoy dinner at Pearl Beach Lounge, one of the island's most stylish beachfront dining spots. Day 4 is all about adventure and nightlife. Begin your morning with a calming yoga session at the yoga place Gili Tea, overlooking the turquoise waters. After that, try paddleboarding or kayaking for a fun way to explore the shoreline. For lunch, head to Scallywag's Organic Beach Club, where organic ingredients and fresh seafood come together in a relaxed bohemian atmosphere. In the afternoon, join a local cooking class to learn how to prepare traditional Indonesian dishes, such as nasi goreng and satay. When night falls, Gili Trawangan transforms into a lively party hub. You can enjoy reggae music at Sama Sama Reggae Bar, or join the beach parties at Tirna Nog Irish Bar, dancing barefoot in the sand under the stars. Day 5 is about relaxation and farewell. After a few days of adventure, treat yourself to a soothing beachside massage and spend the morning swaying in a hammock with the sound of the ocean all around you. For brunch, visit Casa Vintage Beach, a cozy restaurant serving Caribbean Indonesian fusion dishes right on the sand. Spend your last hours capturing memories at photo-worthy spots around the island before heading to the Gili Trawangan viewpoint for one final breathtaking sunset. It's the perfect way to close your trip to the Gili Islands. And there you have it, the perfect 5-day itinerary for the Gili Islands. From snorkeling with turtles to island hopping, from local street food to fine beachfront dining, and from morning yoga to dancing under the stars, this is why the Gili Islands have become one of the most searched destinations in the world. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to subscribe to TravelSpot for more travel itineraries, hidden gems, and inspiring adventures across the globe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next trip.